I start from the blank presentation, then I add some content. Here you can add everything that you want. You can also use bullet points, whatever you like. And as you can see, this presentation is really ugly until now. So all you need to do is press on Home and Design Ideas. Here it will automatically suggest you some design ideas depending on the content of your slides. So just select whatever you like, and if I like this one but I want something different, I click again on Design Ideas and then it will show me a version that it's a bit different. Same goes for this slide, just click on Design Ideas and then it will show you some images that it downloaded for you. And I really like this one. Same goes for the last slide. It will suggest you some cool thank you slides with built-in animation, and I must say I like the first one the most. So if you go to preview mode, you can see that it's gotten a lot better and more appealing to the eye. Thank you for watching and I hope this was helpful.